All right, Jose. Are you ready to do some stupid shit?
Sure, I'm more than ready.
Believe it or not, Sean, I'm chilly here, bro.
Chilly here,
Yeah,
bro?
it's cold
Why you cold, bro?
because I'm cold. It's cold outside.
Well, don't be cold. This was a trap. That's why you told me to come here.
I thought you liked traps. That was weird.
Oh yeah, it was.
Let's rip some Pokemon. Oh, you did get it. Nice. Oh, double hit. Dude.
Let's go.
Ooh, Garchomp. Okay, so clearly Jose got the better pull. I have to go in that cold water now. Okay, so as y'all saw, I lost. Now, I'm gonna rip this pack in this very cold water. Oh God. Oh, what? That is cold. Oh, Jose. Oh God, it looks like I shit myself. That explosive diarrhea. Ooh, this is chilly. We got this bag. Energy. Rah. Riolu, I know that one. Togepi. Oh. All right. Sunrock. Murkrow! The fat Snorlax! I own his belly balls! Oh!
There we go.
This one! I can't think right now! Oh! Okay! Oh!
So, got water in my shoes because of these mother.
Oh, you got water on your shoe.
Yeah, I got water in my shoe.
You got water on your
I
shoes.
got water in my shoe.